So a few weeks ago, I released a video on how to monetize your passion where I walk you through the 5 steps to turn your passion into an income. I received quite a lot of positive comments on that video as well as many private messages, so I thought I would do another video to share with you on how to monetize your knowledge and skills and also share with you some business models to help you monetize. As you know, the world is changing fast and it never hurts to build an extra income from home or online by monetizing something that you already know, right? So in this video, I will share with you on how to monetize your knowledge and skills today. So stay tuned. Hello, this is Millie Leung and welcome to this episode of Shine to Impact TV. Now, before I start, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell too, and also hit the like button too. Now, in the last few years, there has been a major shift with more and more people wanting to start their own business, be their own boss, and be able to work from home. However, the online business world can sometimes get quite confusing or overwhelming, especially if you are a new entrepreneur. So my whole goal with this channel is to help you to create a business and a life that you truly love through simple and actionable strategies. So in this video, I will cover 3 things. Number 1, the key to monetization. Number 2, what if you are not an expert? Number 3, the 7 common business models to monetize your knowledge and skills. So with that said, let's dive right in. Number 1, the key to monetization. At the core of any business or any entrepreneur is that you are solving a problem and you are creating a transformation. Whether you're selling a product or a service, entrepreneurs are here to provide value and to serve. So if you have knowledge or skills that can help others, you can monetize them and create an income. This can be knowledge and skills that you have picked up through your current job, your previous jobs, your freelancing, your life experiences, your volunteering, or your hobbies.
Hello, Millie. How are you?
Emily.
Hey, Emily. Great to hear from you. I'm well. What's going on? My good friend is hosting a birthday party for her daughter next weekend. You know, the last time I went to your daughter's birthday party, and the birthday cake was so delicious and so cute. Where did you buy it? I would love to order the same thing. Oh, I made that myself. Wow, amazing. Could I order that from you? Oh, wow. Yes, of course. Thank you. I'll send you more details later. Thank you for your business.
Now let me give you a few more examples. Maybe you know how to use PowerPoint or a particular software well. Maybe you're great in networking, graphic designs, taking photos, hosting birthday parties, cooking, gardening, or parenting. Maybe you know how to always find the best deals online, or maybe you have lost a lot of weight in the past, overcome some health, emotional, relationship, or career issues. These are all knowledge and skills that you have picked up along the way in your life, and they all count. You can use this knowledge and skills to help someone else save money, save time, have more joy, make more money, get more healthy, get better relationship, get a better job, etc. And the more people you help and the bigger problems that you solve, the more money you will make. Okay, great. Now let's move on to point number 2. Point number 2, what if you are not an expert? Now, a very common question is that maybe you feel like you are not an expert in anything, or maybe you feel like an imposter, and you wonder how you can monetize your knowledge and skills. If you feel that way, I want you to think about this. Say on a scale of 0 to 10, 10 being an absolutely world-class expert and guru on the subject, and 0 being knowing absolutely nothing about the subject. If you're at a 3, know that there are always people who are currently at 0, 1, and 2 who are seeking what you already know. You being a few steps ahead of them mean that you already know more than they do and you can provide value and help someone solve their problems. In fact, the beginner's market is one of the biggest markets. There is always someone who wants to learn a new skill, pick up a new hobby, learn a new language, or just try something new. And as you grow your knowledge and skills, say from a 3 to a 6, then you can serve people who are now at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So what you want to do is that on a piece of paper, list out anything and everything that you can teach someone or help someone with, especially those things that your friends and family are already seeking your help with. Now, if you want to dig deeper into this, check out my previous video on how to select your niche, where I lay out the step-by-step for you to find your monetizable knowledge and skills and summarize it in one powerful and concise sentence to help you attract your ideal clients and customers. So do check it out. Okay, great. Now let's move on to point number 3. Point number 3, the 7 common business models to monetize your knowledge and skills. When I talk about business model here, I'm referring to the profit model, meaning how exactly you're going to bring in profits for your business. And here are the 7 common ways. Business model number 1, provide a service. One of the easiest ways to monetize your knowledge and skills is to provide a service. For example, if you know how to take beautiful portrait and headshot photos, then you can monetize by taking photos for entrepreneurs, small business owners, and professionals who want to update their photos on their websites and social medias. If you know how to host great birthday party for kids, your first clients could be your friends, your neighbors, your children's parents who want to host birthday parties for the kids. If you know how to write resumes, you can help other job seekers prepare and edit resumes. If you know how to do social media marketing, bookkeeping, video editings, you can also offer your services. Now, for more inspirations on different types of services, you can check out websites such as Fiverr.com, Upwork.com, and Freelancer.com. Business model number 2, coaching and consulting. If you have a certain knowledge and skills that you can teach others, then coaching and consulting could be the right business model for you. For example, if you're good at networking, public speaking, you can teach others how to do the same thing. If your kids always get good grades at school because of a certain way you teach them, then this can be something that you can coach other parents. If you've gone through a difficult relationship, health, career, or financial issue, and you've come out stronger and better on the other hand, then you can coach others how to do the same thing. Have you missed me? Have you been good? Yes, don't you forget I am a coach. Tell me, what else? What else? What else? In fact, coaching and consulting business is a business model that I love. It can be very fulfilling because you can help your clients through the learning process and also help them to achieve a certain transformation right in front of you. Business model number 3, sell a physical product. If you can use your knowledge and skills to produce a certain product, you can monetize as well. For example, maybe you love putting on makeup and doing your hair, and you know of many best skincare and hair products and where to find the best deals. Then you can source these products and put together special gift sets for others, or you can create your own brand of skincare and hair products. Maybe you know how to bake cookies and cakes, then you can make them and sell them to others. If you have knowledge on a certain subject, you can write a book and sell them. Now, the only thing I didn't like as much about physical products is inventory keeping and sometimes logistic issues for sourcing and shipping. But if you can sort those things out, selling a physical product is a great way to monetize your knowledge and skills too. So physical products, huh? It's easy. You can monetize your knowledge and skills by writing a book. Look at me. I got books. After writing that first book, what else? Write a second book. What else? Write a third book. What else? Write
2 hours later.
100 books. What else? Write 101 books.
2 days later.
What else? Write 1001 books. What else? Write 1002 books. Now, for more inspirations, you can check out websites such as Amazon.com, Etsy.com, or other retailers that you love. Business model number 4, sell a digital product. I love selling digital products because it is a great way to monetize your knowledge and skills without keeping inventory and without logistic issues. And it can be a great way to build your passive income streams too, because once you create your digital products, you can sell them over and over and over again. If you know how to use PowerPoint or particular software well, you can create an online course to teach others what you know. If you know certain tips, strategies, and tricks on getting into the best universities, you can write an ebook and other parents and students may love to buy it. If you know gardening and have some great tips, you can package them into ebooks or online courses as well. So if you have knowledge and skills and a little creativity, the sky is the limit. Business model number 5, membership. For example, if you have knowledge in stock trading, you can create a membership that provides tips and trends on stocks, and people will be willing to pay for a monthly fee to learn from you. If you know how to edit videos, you can provide a membership for clients where you edit, say, 4 short videos per month for them. Now, there are pros and cons for the membership model. The pro is that typically membership model is paid by the month or by the year. So that means there is a possibility for recurring incomes. However, the cons are that there will be some drop-off for this business model, meaning that some of your customers can cancel the memberships along the way. So you need to constantly get new customers. Also, if your membership is based on providing new and timely information, you need to update your database to provide fresh and up-to-date content all the time. Business model number 6, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you're promoting someone else's products and services through a special link. And when someone clicks on your link and make a purchase, the company or the brand that provide that products and services will pay you a commission for that referral, all without extra fees for the end consumers. For example, if you're good at photography, you can recommend others what cameras and lighting they can buy to take beautiful photos. If you've been taking certain supplements to improve your health and you found those supplements to be effective, you can recommend to others who are seeking the same solution. If you've been doing hiking or camping, you can recommend others what hiking or camping gears to buy. Many companies and brands have affiliate or partnership programs, so simply do a Google search of your favorite brands to find out more. Last but not least, business model number 7, influencer. Now, the influencer model can be a combination of many different things. For example, if you know about makeup and skincare, you can start a YouTube channel to share your knowledge. As you build up your following and you become an influencer, you can have advertising on your channel. You can have brand sponsorship deals. You can also do affiliate marketing to recommend products and services, do speaking engagement, create your own physical product and digital products, offer your own services and coaching and consulting too. Influencer model, huh? The most important thing about the influencer model is remember to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. And also remember to hit the like button too. Did you do it yet? Do it yet? Make sure you're subscribed and hit the like button.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Also leave a comment and share as well. Don't forget, huh? Don't forget. Now, if you don't want to be in front of the camera and would rather share your knowledge and skills through audio, then you can consider starting a podcast. Or if you prefer to write, then blogging could work as well. Although from my personal experience, videos and audios tend to create a deeper connection faster with your audience as compared to just using words like in the case of blogging. So these are the 7 most common business models to monetize your knowledge and skills. As you can see, the sky is really the limit. Now, I want to give you 2 more pieces of information. Number 1 is that if you want to learn how to monetize your passion, check out this previous video where I lay out the 5 steps to turn your passion into an income without selling your soul. And number 2 is that don't forget to grab my free gift, Passion to Profit Playbook, The Secrets of Turning Your Passion into an Impactful and Profitable Business. I'll put the link below this video too. I hope this video on how to monetize your knowledge and skills has added value to you. Now, in the comments below, tell me this. Which business models are you most interested in? And also, what's one action step that you can take right now to monetize your knowledge and skills? Now, if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell too. I share awesome episodes every single week to help you build a business and a life that you truly love. Also, be sure to hit the like button too if you have enjoyed this video. And if any of your friends might find this video helpful, be sure to share with them so that they can also start monetizing their knowledge and skills today. You have a special gift in you. Believe in yourself and shine and impact the world in a bigger way. Remember, dream big, start small, and act now. With that said, I look forward to seeing you in the next episode. Bye for now.
Hey Emily, your cake is ready. Here is a photo. Oh wow, that looks so amazing. Love it. Take care dear, I'll come by later today to pick it up. That sounds great. Hey, I just transferred you money online. Added some extra tips too. Check your bank later, okay? Thanks Emily, I'll check later. Appreciate your business. See you later today. Chat soon.
Okay, let me check my bank account. Subscribe and hit the bell.